At ePLDT, we put a lot of effort into how technology can elevate your business to the next level.
AI is revolutionizing industries, unlocking new possibilities, and reshaping the world. In banking and finance, the public sector, manufacturing, healthcare, and countless other industries.
How you use AI today is essential for your company's long-term success. We're excited to partner with you on how AI can benefit your business. Our team is here to help you seamlessly integrate AI into your operations.
ePLDT is pioneering the essential AI infrastructure and solutions in the Philippines, made possible by Vitro Santa Rosa. Leveraging PLDT's extensive telecommunication network, ePLDT will be the first in the country to bring in GPU servers powered by NVIDIA. All these will enable ePLDT to offer GPUaaS a service solution, allowing you access to their robust cloud-based AI resources without the costs of buying and maintaining expensive hardware. ePLDT's flexible pay-per-use model makes it possible to scale up your AI capabilities with what you need, when you need it.
What does this mean for your business? It means better security and lower latency that allows you to safely access data quicker so you stay competitive and primed for the future. We aim to empower enterprises and our government partners to position the Philippines as a premier regional digital hub, and we do this through technology. By making AI accessible, the possibilities are limitless.
Elevate your tech with ePLDT.